This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Mini Cooper versus BMW race performance. We'll explore how these iconic brands stack up on the track, looking at their unique strengths and weaknesses. Mini Coopers are celebrated for their nimble handling and compact size, while BMWs are renowned for their powerful engines and refined engineering. Let's dive into what makes each car a formidable competitor in a race scenario. When it comes to performance, Mini Coopers truly shine in agility, especially on tracks with many tight turns. Their smaller footprint allows for incredibly precise cornering. BMW, on the other hand, often boast higher horsepower figures, translating to impressive acceleration and top speeds on straights. Ultimately, the best performer depends heavily on the specific race circuit and driver skill. The driving experience differs significantly. Mini Coopers offer a raw, go-kart feel, making every turn exhilarating and engaging for the driver. BMWs provide a more refined and stable experience, even at high speeds, often with more advanced driver assist technologies. From a value perspective, Mini Coopers typically have a lower entry price point, making them an accessible option for many enthusiasts. So, which car is better for you? If you prioritize nimble handling, a spirited driving experience, and a more compact package, the Mini Cooper is an excellent choice. However, if you seek raw power, luxurious comfort, and high-speed stability, a BMW might be your ideal track companion. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Ultimately, both offer thrilling race experiences.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.